Am I audible? Yes. Yes. 2 minutes more. Just a minute. Just a minute, everyone. Good. Now, everyone. Online, just please confirm one more time. Is it clear the voice? Online, can you confirm? Is it clear? Perfect. Let's go. Good evening, everyone. Good. How are you all? Fine. So, let's see what we are going to discuss today. Before we discuss today's one, I think I gave yesterday one task, right? The first website in the world, which is www. I told you guys to try it. How many of you tried it? So this many people tried. Nice. How many of you really did? Okay, down. What about the people who are not getting it? Like, did you faced any problem? Huh? Like, is the problem is in Netlify or is it in a list or where? Okay, people choose silence sometimes. Let's see some of the designs done by you guys. Now, online, so many people did it. Nice. Good. It looks so similar. Someone named Ganga. Nice. When you deploy, if you are not getting a link, that means only two problems. One is your name is not index.html. In class, I told so many times index.html, it has to be. Still, people will come to me the doubts, sir, why it is not coming to me? Because it is index.html. Simple. Now, for some people, go live is not working. If go live is not working for you, sir, Use another Go Live server. If one live server is not working, use another one. If nothing is not working, just go to file, open it in Google Chrome. Because you are not here to learn live server. You are here to learn HTML. Now, some is document. This is breaking for some people. Let me change some internet issue, I think. Hmm. If, for example, if anyone is getting it like, if you tried all the ways, if it is not working, online, is it clear the voice now? Online, is it clear the voice now, or is it still breaking? I hope it is clear now. If you tried all the ways and still not working, I will tell you one way which will 100% work. Let me open that. Only to the people whose it is not working, I will show it to you. Okay. First, open VS Code. Everyone, where I have to go? Where I have to go, ma? File. In file, where I have to go? Very good. Now, which folder? 4 p.m. HTML CSS. Open it. This is the drive link which I said yesterday, and the notes will be inside the drive link. These are the projects I did. If, for example, if anyone are not getting it live server, just if you are not getting live server, in your system, file manager is there, na? This is my file manager. Desktop, Naresh Shetty, something 4P HTML, inside the HTML, inside the projects, inside the www. I wrote one index.html. Na? Wherever you write the HTML page, if your live server is not working, what is live server? Is live server directly connects VS Code to the browser. Before live server comes, people used to go to the files and select your file, right click. Can you see one option called open with, ma? Open with. Select your browser. Automatically it will open. Like that you have to check. Okay. And for some people, how to put it into the Netlify, how to get the link, still they are having problems. Anyway, I will repeat it. For the first 3, 4 classes, we will go with first 1 week, it will be like this only for us. But I want 100% of the people to know it. The biggest problem is there will be always some 20 to 30% of the people who don't practice. Imagine you went to a restaurant and you took the token. In that restaurant, something like you want biryani and the biryani is 1,000 rupees. You paid the money. You already paid it. You took the biryani token. After taking the token, you did not order any food. You just sleep there in that restaurant and came home. Will anyone do that, ma? Will anyone do that? No. But that is what most of the students in Amirpet do. They pay large amount of fee to institute. They go to class. They will just sleep, or they will just not do. They will just not practice. They will just come home happily. The difference is here the payment is done doing by some another ones, your parents or someone. I'm happy that made 70% of the people raised hand because they tried. Okay. And the same way should happen for remaining people also. Is it clear, ma? Everyone. Yeah. Next. Next, someone is getting Netlify error. If you are getting Netlify error, sir, I will show you one more website today how to put into live. I will show you one more website today how to put it into live. Same like Netlify. Okay. In that also you can try. Now, anyway, go here. I opened the Visual Studio Code, sir. Let's go and discuss what did we discussed yesterday. What did we discuss yesterday? Lists. We discussed a topic called lists, sir. Lists are used to list out certain items, either ordered or unordered. How many types of lists are there in HTML? What are they? Ordered, unordered list, definition list. Ordered list uses what tag? OL tag. Unordered list uses what tag? Every list item is what tag? Very good. Now, for ordered list, how many types of orders are there? Very good. How many types are there? Why only few people are getting it? Total 5 types are there. What are they, sir? Numbers, up, uppercase alphabets, lowercase alphabets, uppercase Roman numbers, lowercase. Very good. If I want to start, if I want to start from 100, if I want to start from 100, 100, 101 and all, which attribute I will use? Start. Which attribute I will use? Start. Next. Um, Definition list uses what tag? DL. Inside definition list, what will be there? DT and DD. What is DT? Definition. What is DD? So nice. Now, WW project, I'm hoping that most people done that. Okay, because that's a simple one. That's not a creative one. Usually, if any creative works are there, I would love to see. Has anyone wrote any article in the blog? Good. We'll see. How many of you go to that blog, sir? How many of you created accounts in dev.to? Good, good. Remembered my remaining people वो क्या है? Hash node? Try those things, sir. Believe me, those social media will help you. Tell me, Ma, the link so that I can see. Yesterday also, yesterday also, so many people after the class they bring it to me. I forgot the faces, Ray. Some people gave me that articles which you wrote. Yeah, but I don't know why. Some people do every work, but they don't, want to tell in front of everyone. Especially boys, I'm thinking, why? Boys should be something that it should not be something so shy, na? Why? Why that much shy? Tell me, sir. Any link? Link is bada. Is it like dev.to or Apia Gupta dash? It's dash hyphen. That's perfect. Gupta hyphen 2851D 28 28513. Okay, I'm sure I am become tough. Huh? Too big. I'll show though. We will do it later then. Anyone have Chota links? Huh? How can I give it to me? No, that is too big. But I can go with something such na. If you tell me dev.to, I will directly go with this na. Sorry. I, yeah. Such is there na. Is it your article, right? Yeah. Getting started with HTML. Okay. A beginner's guide. HTML is the backbone of the web. It is used to structure what is HTML, markup language. It uses elements, head and body, headings, paragraph, images, formatting tags, list, order list, unordered list, definition list. You guys can take it the notes from this, sir. Nice. Good. Let's go down where this is. Array, usually left side. Up. Good. Now I'm not saying it like everyone will write nicely. I'm saying it like everyone, there will be a step to start, ma. Maybe you are from different backgrounds. Okay? Start it. I don't know whether you knew this or not. In Telugu states, we have specifically Telugu medium students. Has anyone studied in their childhood Telugu medium? Like even me too. I studied it till 12th Telugu. And there might be some people other. You guys also studied Urdu, Oriya mediums, right? Anyone studied local medium, ma? Same like Telugu? No, all are English medium people. You guys must be so good in English, na? Seriously, nice. Why I'm saying it is different people have different backgrounds. Never compete with each other. Your friend might write 10 articles. Your friend will be so good in writing 10 languages. Or maybe a person beside you will write it all the programs. You are writing just now, starting the program. Kuch nahi hota. He will get job one day, you will also get one job one day. For everyone, it's like in matrimony website, they will say, na, for every person, one person is born. Similarly, for every person, one job is there. 100% one job will be there. We need to wait or we need to get until that. Okay? Don't worry about it. Let's start, sir. How to start in Visual Studio Code? File, open folder, and I opened my folder, left side. If I want to create a new file, every day I will create a new file. I'm going into code folder and I'm creating new folder. Here see, two icons are there. First one is for file. First one is for, second one is for, very good. Click folder. And today we are going to understand one of the nice topic called tables. Tables. HTML tables. How do you put? How do you insert? Okay. We will discuss that. And same like that, we will do one small project and we will push it into Netlify. Today I will push it in two websites, Netlify and another website. So that if you get Netlify error na, wo try karo. Okay. Now let's go here. Next. Inside the notes folder, I am creating one file. How to create a file? Click here. Index dot, sorry. Notes tables dot txt. Someone also wrote, Gaurav Singh also wrote article. .NET. Let's know about the powerful .NET technology in 5 minutes. You wrote it only 2 points, Ray. I don't think it's 5 minutes. Guys, do you all know that why I ask you to write these articles, right? To improve your communication. And I know that you may wanted to try this, but People, when they read your article, they will understand whether you wrote them or ChatGPT wrote it. Are you getting my point, ma? You don't need to impress anyone. Game nahi hai. If you don't write it, I'm fine with it. Because this course is not for blog writing. Okay? It's an extra skill. If you write it or write, kuch nahi hota. I'm not giving any extra burden to you. But don't fake it. Okay? So that's okay. That's just wanna point it out. But still, next, let's go here. Tables. Yeah, you have written yourself only, but only 2 points you wrote. I'm just giving points. I'm not saying it you wrote it. I got it. HTML, notes, tables. Good. Let's start, sir. Tables. Nice. Tables are used. Tables are used to represent the data. To represent the data in rows and columns. Tables are used to represent the data in rows and columns. Don't wanna write? You think all are silly people who will write? You will be like, no, I don't wanna write. Now, tables use, they will basically, when you have so much data, if you write it in tables now, in rows and columns, it is easy to understand. Let's see some of the examples. Did you ever see any website having the tables? Which websites will have tables? Bolo Ray, you guys have seen any websites having tables? Bolo any one website name? Like I will show you one website. Like for example, I love this site, ClickBus. Here everything is table. Now if I go to ClickBus, na, if I go for something like s- you know, kind of teams. Now here some kind of schedules. I will go a big table now. Here date is there. This table is having three columns. This table is having three columns. And horizontal ones are called rows. Horizontal ones are called rows. Vertical ones are called columns. Vertical ones are called columns. Now here, how many columns are there? Three. And you can add how many rows you want. One of the famous websites which uses the rows tables are ClickBus. Like here for ClickBus and all, we will use it. Or have you ever been to the stock market kind of sites? Like most famous sites like Screener. Anyone knows this? Screener is a site like if anyone been into something investing or something, you go there, you will get it any kind of information. For example, if I just wanna go with some kind of Frontier Springs, then I will get their data and all so that I can analyze it. And their data, obviously, any company's data will be in a table only, right? Data reports and all are in tables. So tomorrow I want to create one web page, and for that web page also I want to show one table. Obviously, I will use this. And how do you like how do you do this all? Screeners or classic example are school timetables, school or college timetables. If you take Naresh IT website, in that the courses and all will be there. List of courses or list of classes. Whenever the schedule happens, at which day, which class, which sir is there. Have you ever seen that, ma? And it's a table, sir. Why do we use tables? So that information will be very easy and easy to read. Here, horizontal horizontal lines of information is called row, and vertical lines of information is called column. Horizontal lines of information is called row, and the vertical lines of information is called column. Tables are created by table tag. Tables are created by table tag. Each table have have rows which are created by tr tag. tr tag tr tag. What is tr, sir? Table row. What is tr? Table row. Each table row each table row contains either heading heading or data which are created by tr or th or td tags. Th means any guess? Table heading. Th means td, table data. Table data. Now let's try it, sir. Let's try to create a simple table. Is it done, ma? Note it down. Once it's done, let me know. Online, if it doubts, also mention it, ma. Go here. Is it done? Good. Let's go here. Let's go to VS Code. Let's go to VS Code. I am going inside the table, sir. Now, how to create files? One more time. Going to the first one. Create a file name index.html. The file name is index.html. Now, inside this index.html, I'm just closing this file. This one will toggle this. Now, here, how to generate basic template. Exclamation, enter. And what are the shortcuts are called? MX. Barabar. Now, good. Now, inside this, let's create it here. Tables. Now, inside the tables, I'm gonna put one table here. Hmm. I will just write one comment. Tables uses table uses table element. How do you write it? Table. See, table open tag and table close tag. Between table open and close, you will write one table, sir. Inside the table, what you will have, sir? Table row. You can see that in the notes I said. Inside the table, what you will have, sir? Table row. Table row uses what tag? TR. I am writing TR. TR means table row. I'm gonna take one simple table. I'm gonna write it in this table row. Inside, how many rows you want? I will just fix it in myself. I want it like some 4 rows. One, two, three, four. 4 rows I want. Now inside this 4 rows, first row, I can use table head or I can use table data. TH or TD. Mostly people uses only first row as TH, but it is not a rule. You can use it anywhere. I am using TH, table heading, like serial number, TH, name, go here, movie name, or TH, why controversies, student name. Then we'll have marks, finalize. I want to create a table of progress card, a simple progress card of a student. Okay. Now, let me put a small heading, sir. H3 Prasad, class 8 progress, or class 7 progress report. Simple. I will ask you to do it now also. So after you have to see it so that you will also do it. Now, till now, what you did, sir? How to run this HTML file, ma? Go live. But for some people, go live is not working now. So I will go to files one more time. I'm going to files, Naresh IT, and I'm going it here 4 p.m. HTML CSS, HTML, notes, and oh, sorry, not notes, where I wrote inside code, tables. Inside this, I wrote right click, open with Google Chrome. This is what I wrote. Any doubts? But sir, it is a table only, but it is not looking nice because people will understand table if it is having nice border. So I will go here for a table. Actually, in CSS you will write this border, but in HTML also you can do. Table have an attribute called border. What is the attribute name? Border. Border you will give how much size you want. Slight, thin, thin to thickness. Thickness will be 1, 2, 3 kind of pixels. I'm giving 1. If I give 1, it will be, oh shit, what? Okay. Every time you did, refresh. You are not using live server na? Live server hai to automatically change hota. If you open it like this, you have to refresh it every time you did. See, table came. I created 1 row and how many columns, sir? 3 columns. SNO, student name, and but did you observe, sir? All these 3 are having something bold. All are bold. Why they are bold? Any guess? PH. Why they are bold? TH. Very good. Next, TD. I am giving data. TD, TD, TD. Can anyone suggest me a way instead of writing 3 times TD, TD, TD? Is there any way? TD star 3. Online, are you all getting it, sir? TD star 3 will give 3 TDs, sir. That is called emmet. One, mm, let's start with Hindi 82. Then again, TD asterisk 3, 2, English, something like 65. Then next, TD asterisk 3, 3, maths, obviously no point only 35. Strangely, I used to get Hindi so much good. Everyone used to get childhood's Hindi so much. But we don't know, I don't know actual Hindi only to speak. Now, good. So this is what happened. Maths is just a pass always. Go here, refresh. So we created one table, sir. In that table, we have 3 columns. 4 rows are there. First thing what you did, table tag. In table tag, you gave one attribute border. What is the attribute name? Very good. Inside that, how many rows you created? How many rows you created? 4. TR4. Very good. Now, each one you gave 3 columns. How many columns? 3 columns. But for first one is bold. Second ones are not bold. Why? TH and TD. TD ones means table data. They are not bold. TH means they are table head. They will be bold. Any doubt, sir? Now, next one. Someone in the online asked how to create 3 tables. Tables only side by side. You can't. HTML will tell you how to create 3 tables. Same table I can create 3 times. But who will put them side by side? CSS will do it. CSS will arrange them side by side. HTML का काम खाली एक है. Whatever you want, it will give you. Where do you wanna put? How do you wanna put? What colors you wanna put? Everything CSS will take care. Is it clear, sir? Are you all getting it, ma? Now, can you all create one table, sir? Now, now, see this. See this. Create your own progress card. Now, 5 minutes. Create your own progress card. I want you to do it, sir, now. Open books and do it. Hmm? If you want to use, we will use it. I did not tell divisions, na? That's why I'm not doing it now. If you put, it will not come side by side. It will come one after the another. Do it, sir. Slowly, I will increase the pace. Create a table. Online can try it. Let me know once it's done online. Online, let me know once it is done. I don't think it will take much time. When you do, you will get so many doubts. Sir, how to put that, how to put this. Slowly we will do it then. Good online, someone done. Can we increase or decrease the table's border, sir? Yes, I can increase or decrease it. If I increase this to 2, refresh it. Can you see it is increasing? If I give 5, can you see it? That is called a thickness. How much border thickness you want. And I can do it. Good. Online, many people done. That is happy. How to make sub a serial marks bold. If you put TH, automatically they will be bold. Can I put TH anywhere I want? Yes. For Hindi, I will put it TH. Or not Hindi. I will put this maths ka marks TH. Only marks I will just highlight. Then if I go only maths marks, I put TH. Refresh it. Can you see only maths marks are coming bold? And they are also centered. Always TH will be centered and bold. TH will be centered and bold. Able? Okay. You are staying in SQL class. ये HTML है. भूल गए राइट? तो ये HTML है भाई, ये टेबल वो टेबल नहीं है. ये HTML टेबल है, तुम SQL भर सोच रहे. अरे नहीं नहीं अच्छा है. बोलो SQL डाउट क्या है वो. कुछ नहीं, रिलेशन डेटाबेस के अंदर टेबल्स रहता. एक वो भी सेम है. खाली ये टेबल वो टेबल सेम है. ये खाली दिखाता वेब पेज पर, वो स्टोर होता डेटाबेस पर. नेक्स्ट, we will also see how to make it responsive. We will see it, but not here. CSS will make it responsive. Now, good. Till now, everyone got it. Easy. Next. Now, now let's make it more interesting. Now, imagine I have one more row. Everyone, see this. Imagine I have one more row where TD for or TD something like physics and TD 35 or TH 35. Now, if you see my table, in my table, one problem is there now. I got it maths also 35, physics also 35. If you are using Excel, you know what you will do? You will combine that rows. Anyway, this is 35 now. This is also 35 now. Instead of showing two rows, can I combine them and write it one time only 35? Are you getting my point, sir? You can combine rows. You can combine rows. How do you combine? To combine rows, you have to use something called row span. If you want to combine rows, sir, go here in the first column. If you see here now, is there any third column, ma? Everyone see, is there any third column in the last one? No. I gave only two columns. Now go to the third column of previous one and say row span. What I'm saying, row span means combine rows. Row span means combine. How many rows you wanna combine, sir, here? Very good. Row span 2. If I say row span 2 and refresh, can you see what happened? Row span is used to combine two rows. Anyone can guess. What if I want to combine two columns? Call span. What if I want to combine? Call span. Let's create another row. In this, I will say TR, TD, total marks, TD. Don't worry, I will not calculate. Let's use calculator. Um, 82 plus 65 plus 35 plus 35. Two 35s are there. 217. Good. Now go here. 217. I will use this nicely. Go here. Can anyone tell me what is the problem here? Here, total marks are coming, but it should come last, na? It should come last. There is no third column. So, sir, what should happen is this total marks should come like this, and this 217 should come here. Right now? That means this time total marks is combining two columns. Total marks is combining. To combine two rows, I used row span. To combine two columns, what you can use, ma? What you can use? Good. I will use call span. For first one, let's use call span. How many columns you are combining? Barabar. Go here, refresh. Sir, today I'm not using live server. Why? Because some people are having the problems with that. You can use normally also. देखो, you can combine rows to show nicely. That is row span. You can combine columns to show nicely. That is call span. You will mention how many rows you wanna combine. Huh? You will not see down. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Now this is used call span to combine two columns like this. Is it clear, ma? Now I am not going to show you the code. I am going to show you only my output, and you guys should create it. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Ah, okay. What I can do? Let me do it here. Everyone, close your eyes. Close your eyes, Ray. I'm seeing seriously. You are just seeing only. Such bad. Let me do it quickly then. Total data, total report. I will jolly open it. Why not it open right now? Good. Okay. Do it, sir. This is my output. Everyone create it similarly. Online people also try it. Then I will take some real projects. We will do it. We will do some school timetable and we'll do it. Okay. Online people may be done. Why? Because they can do whenever I did. Offline people try it. Online any doubts also you can mention. Right? You don't need to do from starting, Ray. You already did the table. Do modification. If you are doing from starting, it will take time, na? Do it whatever you feel it's nice. Now, how have you made this outer border so bold? I increase the border. I said border equals to 1, na? If I give border 1, it will give 1. If I give border 15, na, this outer border will become 15. Inner border, it will not change. If you want to change inner border, CSS will do that. And you can put whatever colors you like also in CSS. Here, we will not do that. Then, good. Just for an information, you can create nested tables also. I am not doing any nested tables, but you can create it if you want. One table inside and another table. That will be too much long, which I am not trying. Is it done? TML tables, examples, go here. Now, for this table, I can give inside the table, whenever you enter, you can give something called caption. Tables have caption. If I give some caption, this is my table, it will come something where it is. Refresh. This is my table. It will come like this in middle. That is a table ka caption. Online. Can we insert the data in the browser? What does it mean? Not looking nice actually, but kind of okay. Can you guys can try this, ma? Can you try this? Anyone tell me how many rows are there? How many rows are there? Four. Sorry, how many rows are there? Four. Okay. Now, first two are combined. First two are combined here. If you do this example, you will get it something like rows how to combine and columns how to combine. Okay. Or this one is a simple example, sir. I'm just showing you. You can, if you, in your mind, you can understand it, how to do this. This one is row span 2, row span 2. This one is call span 2. These all are normal. And this one is again row span 2. And remaining all are common. You don't need to do it all. And we will do project for some kind of school timetable. Let's go with this. I'm gonna create it a project of school timetable. This one we are going to create. Is it clear, ma? Let's start, sir. From starting, if anyone did not get it, you can listen one more time. First, inside the HTML, I am going to projects. Going to projects. I am creating one new folder, and the project name is timetable. Folder name timetable. Inside that, I'm creating. What is my file name, sir? Very good. Index.html. And I'm getting it empty one exclamation. Enter. Very good. Next, write it here. Timetable. Now inside this timetable, I want to create this. Can anyone tell me how many rows are there in this? 7. How many rows are there? How many columns are there? 6. Total 7 rows are there and 6 columns are there. First, you have to create a TR, table. I am using my shortcuts. I am using my shortcuts. I want to create 7 rows inside one table. 7 rows inside one table. Can anyone tell me how to put table inside? How do you put inside? Arrow. How do you put it inside? Like your greater than symbol. Table arrow, right arrow, TR asterisk 7. I want 7 rows. That means inside the table, 7 TRs will done at a time. And it's up to you whether you want to do it normally or with the shortcuts. There is no compulsion. Inside the TR, first TR, go and see how many are there in the first TR, ma? How many columns are there in first TR? Only one. How many are there? One. And is it TH or TD? TH. Why? How can you say th? First one is bold, second it is centered. Bold and center, so I can say it is th. So I want in first one th asterisk, sorry, th, and th value is timetable. But can you see, sir, how many columns it is combining? Six columns. Understand, it is not combining rows, it is combining columns. How many columns? Six columns. So you go here, th call span 6. It is combining six columns, so I wrote it th call span 6. And to make my table nice look, I will give border 1. If you want caption, you can give caption. If you don't want, your wish. Then go here. Where is my website? Now I am going to use go live. Earlier I showed without go live. Now I'm showing with go live. Click here, go live. It will come live server. Barabar. Timetable. You can see only one is there. Next one. Now how many you have to create, sir? Second one? 6. First one is hours. Second one is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Why Saturday is not there? Schools are giving weekends, Ray. Why my school never gave it? How many of you have school Saturday holiday? Second Saturday, okay. Every Saturday holiday for you. Thursday and Sunday holidays. Thursday is holiday. Which school, Ray? Good. Next generation, we should go to what is that school? Saint Saint Joseph's. Saint Joseph Thursday is holiday in Mumbai. Oh, okay. In my place, it's not. They will conduct Sunday also in my place. How? Next one, TH. I wanted 6. First one is hours. Second one is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Actually, nowadays in schools, beating the children is crime. It's punishable crime. Do you know that? I got to know that later. Like earlier, I started with teaching in schools. 10th class people I taught, and I really slapped one guy. Then I got to know it's a punishable crime. Very bad. In our childhood, it's not like that. So many criminals teach us. But that's the discipline we had. If really 2 years jail they put it for someone to beat, my whole school will be in there. Okay, next. First period, maths, science, arts. Sir, understand, hours is covering rows. How many rows it's covering, sir? 6 rows. Hours is covering 6 rows. So you will use row span 6. Hours row span 6. Go here. Deco. Hours is covering it. 6 rows. Because we did not have 5 rows, you cannot see them nicely. But once you have the data, you will see it nice. Next, third one. Math, science, arts. The school is having arts. Good. Maths, science, Science, maths, science, arts. My school don't have even the PT ray. Weekly once PT will come. That maths sir will take. Classic. Next. Again, math, science, arts. I will not type it, sir. I will copy paste it. हो गया. Next, lunch. Think lunch is row span or call span, sir? How much? 5. Go next row. Lunch, TH, lunch, lunch, call span 5. In school days, we never ate lunch in the lunch period, right? We used to eat in break period only. Lunch is just to roam around, play. Next, second one. Understand it. How many columns I have to put? 4. How many columns I have to put? Maths, science, math, project. And that project one is covering 2 columns and 2 rows. It is covering 2 rows and 2 columns. Barabar. So let's this one. TD. I hope online you all are getting it, sir. Online, are you all getting it, ma? Any doubts online? Maths, science, maths, projects. Now in projects, let's go here. Row span 2, call span 2. Good. Last one, math, science, maths. Good. Go down, go down. Over. See? Any doubts, ma, in this? If anyone have doubts, you can mention it. It's very easy. Online also, you can mention your doubts, ma. This is online, so you can mention your doubts. This is TR, and it's covering call span of 6. And this is call span of 5. And this one is row span of 6. This one is row span 2, call span 2. Row span 2, call span 2. Remaining all are same. How to create 2 or 3 borders? What does it mean? If you give here border instead of 1, if you give border 2, automatically its thickness will increase. Now means 2 lines. No, not possible. It's like you not in like in your thing. You can't do that. If you want 2-line border, CSS will do that. In CSS, we have something called border double, border wavy. Like in project books, people will draw a wave kind of things. You can put whatever the borders you like. Double borders in CSS, you can do it, but not in HTML. Any doubts here in this? No. We are just in very basics of HTML, sir. No need to worry. Now, go here, go to Netlify. What is the website name? Netlify. And after going to Netlify, click here, add new site, deploy manually, add new site, deploy manually. Click here, browse to upload. Okay. Then go to desktop, Narisheti, HTML, CSS, then HTML, then projects, then timetable, upload. And inside the timetable, whatever the file you have, the file name is index.html. It is uploaded, sir. You can see, go down, you can see that index.html. You can see that index.html. Now you can see site configuration. See, I got something called Joyful Jalebi or something. Go down, site name, Saint Joseph. Let's write it. Saint Joseph timetable. .netlify.app. Seriously? Okay. Mm, two. New. Who are these people, Ray? Who are creating this all of this, Ray? Something like three. एक नंबर बोलो. हाँ. Double two. Okay, I will go with something bigger, Ray. This one I'm sure no one will have it. Are you joking? Yeah, Ray, I will just check it. Saint Joseph will have it, Ray. Okay, someone uploaded. They did not upload it index.html. Now someone is saying it like try at the rate and all. This is not email password, Ray. Okay. Timetable 007. Ray. Naresh Shetty. Okay. NIT timetable. Hey, it is creating something. It did not change only. NIT timetable 25. Save. No, maybe some mistake, Ray. Eh, no, something in mistake only. No one will have this. I will go with this only then. Sometimes I saw that. This is not mistake of mine. This is mistake of Netlify. I will try on another website. There is one website called Vercel. Whatever the websites I'm showing this Netlify and all, they are very powerful actually. You guys are uploading chota HTML only, na? In reality, people will put big applications. A big websites using React or Next or something big applications you can put. But I'm just showing because they are free. Vercel.com. Vercel.com. Just create an account in Vercel.com. How to create an account? Very simple. Go here, Vercel, sign up, give your whatever the details they want. Always go with personal one. Don't go with pro and all. Give your name, emails. It's a simple explanatory. After you give your OTP, it will open this. Add new. Add new. Hmm. What is this, Ray? Dismiss project. Why nothing is opening today? Ah, add new project. You can actually import from the Git repository. I don't want it. Why it is not taking it directly here? Upload manually is not there. Okay, upload manually is removed. You have to upload it from the GitHub, I think. Import from GitHub, switch Git provider, add Git. No, then we don't have any choice except this guy. We don't have any choice with Netlify. We have something called GitHub. Try Netlify until we discuss GitHub. In some kind of within kind of a week, you will complete your HTML. And in HTML, after that, we will discuss something called Git and GitHub. Okay. When I explain Git and GitHub, na, I will try to post your website directly to GitHub. So for the next 4 or 5 days, only try Netlify. That Vercel one is not working. If Netlify is not working for you, just wait for 4 days. Once GitHub is there, na, GitHub will work for everyone. Is it clear, ma, till now? Good. Just upload your site and and today I'm gonna show you one more website which will help you. Website name is Free Code Camp. What is the website name? By the name itself, it is completely free. When you open the website, it will look like this. When you open the website, it will look like this. Can you see here? Get started. It's free. Click on this. After you click on this, it will show you so many courses. You don't need to do anything. First one, responsive web design certification. Open it. Go down. Then learn HTML by building the cat. Open it. First level. Click here. Then they will teach you everything line by line. You have to do whatever the commands they said. What is the command? See, first, HTML elements always have opening tags like h1 open and closing tags like h1 close. The text will display the goes in between open tag and close tag. Change the text in h1 below from hello world to cat photo app. When you are done, check your code button to see if it is correct. What is here? Hello world. What they want me to change? Cat photo app. I can do it, sir. Go here. I will change it. Cat photo app. And once you're done, check your code. Correct. If your code is correct, you will go to next challenge. See how much easy to complete one challenge, sir? One challenge will maximum take you 1 minute. And even app is there actually. In your phone, it will come. Okay. It is for practicing. Pre-code camp is for practicing. It's not for learning. They will not teach you, but they will just give you by commands so that you will learn better. Here you are learning now. When you learn here, there you will practice. You can read the command. Now they are telling you H1 to H6 elements are there. What is the command they are giving it? They are giving now see only use one H1 per page and place lower importance headings below higher importance headings. We already discussed it. Below H1 element, add H2 element. Okay. And what do you want me to? Cat photos. So this website is for the practicer. So many people, when they are practicing, they don't know exactly where to practice. So that's why I'm telling it. If you open this website online only, you can do practice. So that anywhere you are there, you can do it. Now go here and I am writing it here. Cat photos. Level 2 is over. Go to level 3. Like this, you have some kind of 70 levels. And I'm sure Aramse you can complete 20 levels per day. Morning you can complete 10, evening you can complete 10. It won't take much time for you. So if you complete 20 per day, 3 days पूरा HTML खत्म होता. Are you getting my point, ma? Whatever we are learning here, these things you can do one more time practice, and one of the free sources free code camp. After some 2 3 days, when you guys are practicing this, I will tell you another platform. Slowly we will learn more things, but never stop your journey. Did you all remember Figma, ma? Good. While explaining Figma, I told you some nice side dribbles or something kind of, behance. And never stop your designing journey. Yesterday, some person showed me beautiful designs. Who is that? You only. They are exceptional designing. And if you wanted to go that, try it. Some painters are there, maybe in you. Some artists are there. Put it. Nice designing. That will work. And after that, we discussed something like blogging. Dev.to hash node. And I told you how to put your site into live by using Netlify. Now today practice, I'm telling you free code camp. These resources normally people will not tell you, but note it down so that in future it will help you. Is it clear, ma? Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you all. If anyone have doubts, you can ask me. If no doubts, you can leave. I will update the notes into the GitHub, ma. If anyone don't have my GitHub link, I will show you. If you have GitHub link, you can leave. If anyone don't have my GitHub link, I will provide it one more time. Online, I'm providing one more time.